One of my very favorite props for yoga or exercise is a stretch out strap. These straps have loops. So instead of having to pull a strap as you would with a yoga strap, you can slide your fingers in the loop and the weight of your hand holds everything in place. So you don't have to use muscular effort. I'm going to show you 3 wonderful things that you can do with your stretch out strap. The first thing you do is put the strap on the floor. Then you step on it with your feet about a shoulder width apart or so. Then you reach down so that your fingers are grabbing the most convenient loop. That loop is going to hold your shoulder down while you tilt your head to the side. This is a wonderful stretch for your neck. Let's do the other side. So you can hold this for a nice long time, 30 seconds, 60 seconds. And if you do it more than once, you'll get even more benefit out of it. The next stretch I'm going to show you is for your hamstrings. So you take one foot, put the strap over the foot, and then reach for the most convenient loops. You might have to adjust it by sliding it from side to side. So now the weight of my leg is being supported by my arms. I don't have to pull. When you're ready to switch legs, you might have to adjust the strap. Sometimes one hamstring is a little bit tighter or looser than the other. So if that's the case, just take one loop and then adjust it. And again, let the arms be nice and long and heavy, and you won't have to work to hold the leg up. The last trick I'm going to show you is for opening out your hips. So you take the strap, put it just underneath your knees, not too far down. You want it just underneath your knees. And then you hold the right end with your left hand and the left end with your right hand. Once you've got the loops, just let your knees open wide, put the soles of your feet together. This is a wonderful way to relax your hips open. When you're ready to come out of the pose, instead of using muscular effort to stand your feet, you can pull the ends of the straps like this. So now my feet are standing. So those are 3 of my favorite tricks with a stretch out strap.